Hey ladies, welcome to Rejuvenate Nation, where my goal is to help you get fit and fine without wasting time. Today, I'm going to show you 8 total body exercises that you can do at home with simply using a chair. That's the only equipment that we're going to use today. It's going to help you burn fat, tone. It's going to be a total body workout. Before we get started, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration, click that link in my bio for a full free 5-day Get Moving, Get Motivated challenge. Right now, let's work on this body. Let's get it. All right, so before we work out, of course, we got to warm up. So the first exercise, we're going to reach up, touch our knee, toe. All right, we're going to do this 8 times. All right, ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're almost there. 6, we got 2 more. 7, last one. 8, good job. All right, next exercise, we have jumping jacks. All right, if you can't do it that way, you can just stand, bring your legs, your arms out at the same time. You're going to get the same effect. We have 8. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, next exercise. All right, we're standing, alternating crunches. All right, bringing your knee to your elbow. We have this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one, we have 8 push-ups. If you can't do the push-ups the regular way, you can do them on your knees and back up. If you can do it the regular way, legs spread out, back straight. I'm gonna go down and up. All right, we have this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, take a break, get some water. You're gonna do this 2 rounds, total of 3, and we'll be right back with the workout. All right, ladies, welcome back. And as you see, I have my chair. Make sure your chair have a back so that you can hold on to it if you need to. All right, so the first exercise, we're gonna step up, bringing the other leg up, back down, and back down. All right, go at your own pace, back down. All right, we have this 8 times. We're gonna start with the left leg. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, we halfway. 5, 6, got 2 more. 7, last one. 8. Good job. All right, for the next one. All right, you're gonna start with one leg already up, one foot already planted. All right, and you're just gonna bring your body up, tap your toe, and back down. Tap your toe, back down. If you can do it without holding on, you can do it the same thing, back down, back down. All right, we got this 8 times each leg. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, we halfway. 5, 6, 7, last one. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, switch. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more. 7, 8. Good job. Take a break, get some water. We'll be right back. right, ladies, welcome back. So now we're gonna do some upper body exercises. We're gonna work on our triceps, our chest to give some great definition and to get rid of that arm fat that we all complain about, okay? So I turn my chair around, and if you need to put it up against the wall for stability, you can do that. All right, so with the dips, all right, so you're gonna make sure your feet are flat on the floor, 90-degree angle, and you're just gonna go down and up, all right? Down, don't lock your elbows, and up, okay? We got this 8 times, ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, we're halfway, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, the next one, we're gonna do push-ups on the back of the chair. All right, again, you can push it up against the wall for stability if you need to. All right, so you're gonna bring your feet out. All right, not too much, not too much where you feel like you're gonna fall, just whatever's comfortable for you. All right, and you're just gonna go down in a push-up and back up. All right, ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, last one, 8. Good job. All right, take a break and get some water. We'll be right back. All right, ladies, so now I've switched the chair back around. We're gonna go back into our lower body, our abs, to give it nice V cut at the bottom, the lower abs, targeting all of those areas, the butt, everything, all right? So we're gonna get down, all right? So you're gonna bring your knee to the opposite elbow, like that, all right? So we're gonna do that 8 times on the same side, and then we're gonna switch to your left side, okay? Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, go ahead and switch. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so now we're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna alternate this time, okay? All right, so you're gonna bring your right knee to your left elbow, left knee to your right elbow. All right, we got this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, take a break, get some water. We'll be right back. All right, ladies, so now we're gonna work on our abs. So I turn the chair back around. If you need to push it up against the wall for stability, please do so. All right, we're gonna bring the knee up and back down. Up and down. We got this 8 times. Ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, last one, 8. All right, so the last one, we're gonna do scissors. And again, make sure you have the chair pushed back up against the wall if you need to, okay? All right, we got 8 scissors. All right, ready? Let's get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. All right, so that completes the workout. Make sure you take a break, get some water. You're gonna do this 3 rounds total. And again, if you're having problems with motivation and inspiration, click the link in the bio for my free 5-day Get Moving, Get Motivated challenge. And I'll see you ladies on the next workout.